G'day viewers, well I bought this reasonably high end, this is probably the best you could buy by today's standards, these little 5 outlet power boards. It's been good for me for the last 2 years since I bought it. These 4 outlets work good, but this outlet just died. I have my mobile phone charger plugged into this all the time, and lately I've been noticing my phone hasn't been charging. So I tested this outlet, plugged some things into it, and nothing worked. But these 4 still work fine. It just pisses me off how stuff today is made so shit. I'll pull this apart and see if I can fix it. Maybe the switch contact's not closing, or it's just defective in general. Or the terminal or something's just failed inside where it connects to the pin. It's got these stupid slot screws with it's like a flat blade screwdriver with a bit in the middle of it so it stops it from accepting a normal flat screwdriver. But I've got the right tools here, which I'll go and get. Yeah. And I got the right little ratchet to undo those. Let's go and get the other set that has a proper fit for these screws, and we'll start pulling it apart, see if I can repair it. Okay, viewers, I got the correct set of tools. That's what I'm talking about. That sort of flat blade screwdriver. That should fit in there. If it's the right size, it should just... Might be the next size down actually. This one. Yep, that fits. Get my little extension out and we'll start removing these screws, and hopefully this can be repaired. Right viewers, I've got these stupid Chinese pathetic anti-tamper screws out. One was impossible to remove. I managed to break me bit trying to get it out. There you go. Let's see why this bloody thing won't close. See, those tabs pushed down. This is actually double pole. Doesn't say that on the package. That's actually quite good then. This is a good power board. I'll put these child saver things back on there. So the wiring here, I wonder how good that earth connection is. Doesn't look like a very good solder joint to me, and this is a top end, probably the best one you can get of these power boards. Yeah, it's soldered on pretty good. The soldering is pretty good there. That's just crimped on. That's your indicator. It's a Sang Mao Taiwanese made switch, little circuit breaker. It's a reasonably good one. And when I switch these, both poles close. That works. That works. That works. This one, both poles close as well, but why am I not getting the connection? Yeah, the pin fits in there quite well. Yeah, that's a good connection, but why does it not want to... Just gotta try and figure out why the hell this thing doesn't work. So if I pull it apart, whoops, these can be replaced, that's good. So the connections are in there. If I give those connections a bit of a clean, we'll see what happens. Okay, viewers, there's some sort of bloody plastic coating on these contacts. I'm not sure why I'd do that. Seems pretty stupid to me. So those tabs go down, and they press against that rail there. So one's, hey cat, one goes to your active through your circuit breaker, and the other one goes to your neutral rail there. So if I put this back in, they're going to slide inside these copper clips like that. So they need 2 ends to this, and hopefully this is going to work. This should be repaired. Okay viewers, that's all the child safety locks put back into place. I'm still disappointed with this, because even a qualified electrician should be able to pick these things out. Yet I did. They just plug into a tester and rely on that. They don't actually take things apart and look carefully at the details. So I'm going to have to put this back on here. That sits in there. Should indicate a neon lamp there. Hopefully this is going to work. Disappointed with that really. Safety locks are in the right place. So when you plug it in, it slides out of the way and exposes the contacts. Let's put this thing back together. Okay, viewers, all put back together. It's all plugged in. A nice assist plug, I like that. easy to grab hold of and unplug. So let's find a load to test. Let's try something with a bit of beef to it, some amps. Let's try a washing machine motor. Okay, power on. Power's on. Perfect. All it was, I just scratched a bit of bloody plastic coating off the contacts. Why the hell would you put plastic coating on the contacts? That is just bloody stupid. Alright, when it's working, just be sure they're all working before I put it back in service. Works. Bit of inrush and arcing might get these bloody contacts cleaned, I think. Let's get a torture test there. I've only been using this thing for light loads, so perfect. Saved from the landfill. See, a qualified electrician wouldn't have picked that out. All I do is just have a look at it, test it, and that's it. Say it's safe. I don't even go into the details. That just pisses me off. That's fixed, so quite happy with that. Thanks for watching.